Today we're fortunate to have Kevin Criswell drop in again. He's going to tell us all about his new Festool TS55KEB.
Hey Ron, Kevin Criswell with Criswell Custom here in Dallas, Texas. I want to do a quick video and show you the new Festool Tracksaw.
I'm Ron, designer of the Smartwoodshop, the Paulk Smart Bench, the Paulk Smart Station, as well as all the accessories that work with the entire system. If you want to get a set of plans to build any or all of these for yourself, there's a link right down below in the description of this video. You've met Kevin Criswell before on this channel. He is a wealth of knowledge for woodworking techniques and tool tips. He is a custom woodworker in Dallas, Texas. I checked to see if he had a website so I could share it with you, but he doesn't. He says that he does not advertise, no website, spends no time or energy doing any of that, that he is booked end to end and he does not need any more work as a solo shop. But he also told me that it was a really great gig and he loved doing it.
If you look at these two saws, they look pretty identical. This one has a kickback feature that you can disable. Obviously this one doesn't have it. The reason I have two saws is about a month ago, my original track saw fell off the bench and broke this front plastic part. Well, I was without a track saw, and it was then I realized how critical this is to my day-to-day operation in my shop. So I bought the new Festool TSC55KEB, and I realized I need redundancies in these saws. Anyway, in case something happens to either one of them, I have another saw to keep on working. Let me show you the difference in this saw. Number one, it has an anti-kickback feature. If you look here, this is not a riving knife. This is an electronic switch that if the saw quickly comes off the track like that, it instantly stops the blade. Now, I've never had my track saw kick back on me in 5 years, but the feature that I really love about this saw is it has a thinner kerf blade, and it makes a huge difference in the cutting speed. Festool says you will get double the battery life out of it and twice the cutting speed. I don't know if I can quantify those, but let me show you a cutting test and show you how it works. First of all, let me show you the anti-kickback feature. It's a little bit violent, but it does stop the saw. Quick. Now let me show you the difference in the cutting capacity with the thin kerf blade. I'll cut through this 2-inch thick hard maple first with my old track saw. Oh, that's a workout. Now, you'll notice for some reason my old saw, the dust collection is terrible. Let me get rid of that dust, and we can try the new track saw. And I didn't know when I bought it, but this is a feature that I love about this saw, the thin kerf blade. Amazing. That's the difference between these two saws. Now, I'm not sponsored by Festool. I bought these saws with my own money, but knowing what I know now, even if this saw hadn't broken, I would still buy this saw. The speed of the cutting is amazing, and you know, it produces less dust. So I think if you buy this saw, you'll be very happy.
Hey Kevin, thanks for taking the time to make this video. It was very helpful. That's the kind of stuff that it's difficult to learn from reviews, and having an expert, a seasoned veteran like yourself to show us the real differences and why a particular tool may be good for us is so very helpful. I encourage you, Kevin, to make more videos. Just drop them to me and I will post them here. I know the Smartwoodshop family loves following you. In fact, I encourage you to start your own channel, but in the meantime, I'm not going to be shy and say I'd love to post every video that you produce right here. If you enjoy Kevin's videos and his take on tools and techniques and want to see more of them, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and lots of comments. I'll share all of that with Kevin, and maybe together we can encourage him to share some more with us. Thanks for dropping into the Smartwoodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.